Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a text outline in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer. Okay, then type horizontal. Always use Arial. You can any style. Now see this, use style for text. Okay, select the text color black. Change the text color red. Okay, now type text outline. Okay, for middle Walter arrow key. Now click the apex. Now see this outline, main outline, stroke. Change the stroke color. Okay, inner glow, out glow. Okay, I use already stroke for outline. Now size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Hold Ctrl T, then hold Shift for resize text or fix size.